This right here is the all-new Oraimo FreePods Pro, and there's no need to beat around the bush, it sounds amazing. The FreePods Pro has active noise cancellation like proper ANC that you can turn on and off, and when it's on, it cancels all the ambient noise around you. It also has transparency mode that allows you to hear the sound around you, and for the gamers out there, the Oraimo FreePods Pro has a game mode that allows you to enjoy the sound of a game with no lag. Guys, I'm going to be straight with you now. Listen, I don't know how true this is, but I heard Oraimo will have limited copies of the FreePods Pro, so here's what I want you to do. Pause this video, head on to Oraimo's website, pre-order, buy, do everything you need to do to get these earbuds because they are fantastic. Man, this thing sounds so good. Okay, let me try and contain myself and show you what it comes with in the box. Now, opening up the box, the first thing you're going to see is the charging case. It comes in this aluminum color and with the Oraimo logo in rose gold. The charging case has a reset button at the rear that helps to clear out all devices that has been paired to the earbuds, and at the front, it has a case status indicator showing the power level. Moving to the bottom of the charging case, it has a USB Type-C port, and of course, inside the case are the true wireless earbuds. Back to the box, it comes with a user guide manual showing you the features of the earbuds and how to use them. Here's a note reminding you that the Oraimo FreePods Pro has ANC and how to activate it. Now guys, for the surprise item in the box, the FreePods Pro comes with a protective silicone case. Wait, hold on, what? This is the first time I'm seeing a protective silicone case in the box and not being sold as a separate accessory. That's not all, the FreePods Pro comes with 2 pairs of ear tips, small and large, and the medium is already installed on the earbuds. I suggest you try out all the ear tips to find the one that fits your ear canal perfectly. To charge the charging case, the FreePods Pro comes with a USB Type-C cable, and for the charging time, it takes around 2 hours to charge it from 0 to 100%. The battery capacity of the charging case is 510 mAh and it can charge your earbuds 2.5 times. Now moving to the earbuds, they have a range of around 10 meters, which is typical for most earbuds. For the battery life though, on a full charge, the FreePods Pro has a music playback time of 13 hours with ANC off and 9 hours of music playback time with ANC on. Now 9 to 13 hours of continuous music playback is long, but with the charging case you get a total of 30 hours with ANC off and 23 hours with ANC on. That's almost a whole day of playing music continuously. Now let's talk about the features of the Oraimo FreePods Pro, starting with the multifunctional touchpad located at the side of the stem. It's responsive, and when you tap it, you're going to hear this beep. For the controls, 1 tap allows you to pause and play, 2 taps allows you to skip to the next track, 3 taps takes you to the previous track. Now, the Oraimo FreePods Pro doesn't have a companion app to change the settings. Frankly speaking, it doesn't need one because you can do everything you need to do by tapping on the multifunction controls. Now, to switch between active noise cancellation and transparency mode, tap and hold the left earbuds, and when you hear the beep twice, release the control. Now, with active noise cancellation on, the earbuds will limit what you can hear around you. If you have a noisy fan or kids shouting in the background, it's going to block all that out. It can block out up to 35 decibels of noise, and it's like putting your fingers in your ear. Now, something to note is it only works when you have both earbuds in your ear. Now, to switch to transparency mode, press and hold the control, and when you hear the beep twice, release it. In transparency mode, you'll be able to hear what's around you, and for the last mode, tap and hold the control, and after 2 beeps, let it go, and now you've turned off active noise cancellation. Still on the controls, press and hold the left control, and after 4 beeps, release it. This would shift between heavy bass mode and normal mode. Now, the difference between heavy bass and normal mode wasn't night and day. I mean, it's there, but the normal mode has enough bass and you really have to pay attention to hear the difference. Now, the Oraimo FreePods Pro has a feature called game mode, and what it does is it eliminates lag when you use your earbuds to play a game. To activate this feature, press and hold the right control, and after 4 beeps, release it. Now, let's see if the game mode makes any difference.
Normal. Game mode.
As you can see guys, it works. Lastly, to summon the assistant on your smartphone, press and hold the right control, and after you hear 2 beeps, release it. Now, another feature the Oraimo FreePods Pro has is in-ear detection. If you're playing your music and you take off one of the earbuds, it pauses the song, and if you put back the earbud, it resumes the music. Now guys, ANC, transparency mode, game mode, all that features, all that modes are interesting, but how does the Oraimo FreePods Pro sound? I know I already gave you guys a hint at the beginning of this video. Guys, they sound amazing. I thought the Oraimo FreePods 3 2BB edition was good, but this is on another level. The FreePods Pro has high efficiency 8mm drivers, and let me start off with the bass. It's punchy, clean, and it's not overbearing. If you love bass, you're going to love these earbuds. The mids are good and the highs are perfect and not too loud. Now for the sound quality, I'm going to score it 8 over 10. The remaining 2 points belong to God, as my professor would say. For calls, well, the Oraimo FreePods Pro uses 4 microphones to make your voice clear to the other person you're speaking to. Beamforming arrays and AI deep neutral network algorithm help to reduce disruptive noise around the caller. Now all that is English, and let us see if it actually works.
Hey, Oscar Mini, how you doing? Good morning.
I'm fine.
Hey, hey, Ike.
That's good. Last year, Lou. Last year.
All right, so I'm recording a video. I'm testing out the Oraimo FreePods Pro. How does it sound?
Oh, okay. It sounds clean, actually. Yeah.
It sounds good, right?
Yeah. Good.
What do you think about it?
It's good though. I like the that Havy stuff.
Yeah.
Stuff is cool.
What blew my mind was the game mode. The lag was just gone. Like,
wow.
It's a proper gaming earbud now.
Yeah, earbud. Yeah.
And also like the nice translation.
You tried the ANC stuff.
Yeah, ANC actually works. It works. It's just like plugging your ear in, your hands in your fingers rather in your ear, and it works.
The stuff confused me this morning. As he was talking to me, I was hearing him from inside the the earphone. Like the mic speaks to him. Yeah. And so
that's the transparency mode then.
I don't know, but one of them, like,
that's
transparency,
transparency mode.
That's it, yeah.
All right.
I think it's cool, yeah.
It's very cool.
Now for the IP rating, the Oraimo FreePods Pro is an IP5X device. What that means is these earbuds are resistant to dust, water, and even grease. Now guys, let's talk about the price. Well, at the moment it's nothing concrete, but a little bit told me that the Oraimo FreePods Pro will be going for 38,000 Naira or 40,000 Naira, and I think that's a good price for the features it's packing. The noise cancellation works, the sound quality is the best I've experienced from the Oraimo earbuds lineup. Using it for calls is great and the battery life is good. It's also comfortable in my ears, and for gaming it has low latency. So that's my review of the Oraimo FreePods Pro. Ladies and gentlemen, buy these earbuds, they sound amazing. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button if you found this video to be useful. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching once again, and I will see you guys very soon. Valor Reviews, signing out.